This is Mozart's dice game, which seems it's not really by Mozart, but by the Mozart's publisher. And it's in the style of Mozart's music, but all music, all classical music, what we call classical music at that time, was written in this style. So um, it in it the intention of the publisher, you could write minuet without knowing a note of music, without knowing the most elementary rules of harmony. And how did it work? Well, it worked and it still works with dice and with random combination, random juxtaposition of measures. It's more complicated in the original edition, but I copied this and put this in this sort of a spreadsheet just to make it clearer. How does it work? Well, you start with the first measure and you throw your dice, and if you have a 2, well, you play or you write down for playing later this measure. If it's a 3, this 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. When you have done this, you continue and you do the same thing for the second measure. So maybe you throw your dice and you have 12, so you copy this measure. And then you continue for the third, fourth, and so on to the last one, to the eighth one. So you have I'm a, a die here, and you just throw it by clicking on it. And so what you have is just a random sequence, so you don't have to actually throw dice here. Everything is done for you. You just have to sit down and listen to the result. So let's do this again. Okay, and it works. Let's do another one, or another one, or another one. Let's choose a color. Yeah, this color, I like this. So let's try to understand a bit better what happens. All measures are different one to the other, with some exceptions, with some caveats. Look, for example, at the first measure and the second measure. In certain cases, here, this measure is the same thing as this one, this as this one. So if you throw your dice and you have 2 and then another 2, so in this case you have a repetition. Okay, but if you throw your dice, you have 2 and then you have something else, you don't have any repetition, and all the rest is different. So you don't have this risk anymore. And what I said, I mean the second column being identical to the first one, is not true for everything. Look, for example, at this. Yeah, this measure is different from this one. What else? Yeah, it's more or less all I can find. Yeah, there is a liaison here, or legato, which you don't find there, but well, it's minor stuff. If you want to play this on the piano, you can just ask to view the background image, and it's much bigger than this one, so you can print out the image, and it will be readable and playable. And how does it work? Well, every column has the same harmonical structure, and so there is a sort of a thread that keeps this thing together, and its harmony. And the melodic aspect of it is sort of a collection of cliché from the music of this time. You'll see that it's not a great minuet what comes out, because maybe because there aren't any repetitions. It's not bad either. It's a middle of the road minuet, and it's built to have fun. And well, the purpose is attained by this thing. So I invite you to have fun. This is a different exercise from all the others. It's just to close the figures section, and don't try to figure out too deeply what's involved here. There is nothing. It's just a game. So throw your dice and sit down and listen to a different minuet. Have fun.